Your estimate isn't losing to a better price. You think you lost that job because someone underbid you, maybe, sometimes. But most of the time, you lost it because someone else followed up and you didn't. I've reviewed hundreds of lost estimates in the trades. The pattern almost never points to price. It points to silence. The customer gets 3 bids. All 3 are within 10 to 15% of each other. The one they hire is the contractor who called back, answered a question, and made them feel confident about spending $9,000 on something they've never purchased before. That's the entire difference. You don't need cheaper pricing. You don't need a fancier proposal. You need to be the one who follows up like you actually want the work. Because when you go quiet after the bid, here's what the customer hears. "He must be too busy for my job," and they'll find someone who isn't. Tag a contractor below who needs to hear this. And if you want to see what your follow-up is actually costing you, DM me audit. I'll run the numbers with you. And with that, more to come.